Let's take a closer look at one of the CHIRON 2020 highlights, the DZ25 P5-axis machining center. Dirk Schmid, Head of Technical Sales, explains it in more detail. Dirk, it's your turn.
Danke, Morena.
Thank you, Morena. For what was the DZ25P 5-axis developed? When designing the 25 series, we focused on large volume components, complex to machine, for the automotive and aerospace industries. Typical workpieces are structural components, for example shock towers, cross beams or connecting parts for the vehicle chassis.
In der Luftfahrt.
In aerospace, the workpieces are mainly milled from solid material, for example wing nose ribs or blocker doors.
Wing nose ribs oder blocker doors.
What characterizes the machining center? High productivity through highly dynamic double spindle and simultaneous 5-axis machining. Loading and unloading of workpieces during machining by a fast pallet changer. Up to 2 times 60 tools for comprehensive and complex machining. Independently movable spindles in X and Z axis already as standard. This allows easy correction of length differences in tools and can also easily compensate for imprecisely positioned clamping fixtures. Setup technicians and programmers are pleased about the excellent visibility. They always can observe both spindles. The good access to the working area offers advantages for intermediate measurements or when replacing broken tools. The machining centers can be easily automated by robots or gantries. This is possible due to the variable layout of the floor plans, for example electric cabinet laterally or uncoupled, and eject direction of the chip conveyor left or right. Thus, several interlinked systems can be set up closely and in a space-saving way. The separation of the operation side from the material flow is unique. This allows perfect access to the machines with short distances. That was the most important about the DZ25P 5-axis.
You want to take a look at everything in detail? Our product video takes you on a journey around the machine.